Alright. I'm back. Does it say buck or back? I don't know. He spells super slobby. I need to check on. It says I'm back. I'll just do that. From an old friend. Wait a minute. I think I know who this is. It's Smike. I thought I got rid of him. Let's hope he doesn't put any more messages. This is Blue Minecraft PE. He really made a server called Milkcraft. Just go. Okay, I'm gonna play Pokemon then. Yes, I milked your cards too. Smokey. Really? How can you milk cards?